Welcome to the course. My name is Glory and I will be your instructor throughout this course. You have made the right decision by enrolling to this blogging course. This course is specifically designed for students like you who want to explore blogging. I made the course by breaking it down into sections, and each section contains lectures that trains you on specific skills so that you achieve mastery over each skill. From time to time, this course content will be updated and may include additional lectures for clarity and completeness of this course, and you will receive an announcement on your Udemy account about the course updates. We know that students do come up with questions and doubts, and to address these, we have a dedicated Q&A section within the course that will allow you to interact with me, and I will do my best to provide you sensible answers to your questions. I encourage you to complete the entire course first, and along the way prepare a list of your doubts and questions and then post it to me. I will personally read the list and prepare the answers for you. I believe you will learn and apply the knowledge and succeed.